Hi there, meet the WETTRACT D2 Magnetic Dry Erase Film, a versatile whiteboard solution for any smooth surface. This self-adhesive film transforms walls, doors, glass, and furniture into writable, erasable, and magnetic boards. Unlike regular whiteboard stickers, WETTRACT D2 holds magnets securely thanks to its iron-infused backing. The smooth PET film surface allows for easy writing and quick cleaning without leaving marks. Its strong adhesive sticks firmly but peels off cleanly, protecting your walls from damage. Perfect for classrooms, offices, or homes, you can cut the film to fit any space you need. Simply unroll, measure, peel, and stick to create a creative dry erase area anywhere you want. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.